Moko ma bende koro konyalo okwa mondo koro konya nyithindo jowetegi moko ma onyalo kata mago mawuok e familia monyalo ikwani mondo koro konya nena nyithindo wetegi ma okonyalo e kuonde ma gisome opogore opogore. Mano jipo ma bende koro nogolo to kod jalup japuonj maduong' e skul nyiri ma Sinyolo Girls mayudore e gwenge ma Kisumu West, Joyce Mwandhithi, owacho kanyo ni koro en gima kare ahinya ka jogo ma bende nitiere godo bende koro wuok oko mar konyo jowetegi mondo kik gisandre kata gibed e ngimano machal ka gima koro jwang'gi. Nyasi no ne giloso seche ma bende koro nyasi ma kamano bende koro nobagi osekonyo nyithindo maromo 243 duto te ma oseyudo kony mag tissue paper, taulo go mag ria kaachiel to kod pesa go magitiyo godo. Ne oloso seche ma bende koro nyasi mobagi machal kamano kata bende chenro ma kamano iluongo ni Sinyolians for Sinyolo bende koro ne dhi nyime. Nyasi ma kamano itimo higa ka higa ka wan koro ne giyudo kony maber nyaka kowuok kuom jasiasa ma en jachung' e laro kom MCA ma Central nyaka migosi Vincent Buya. Nyasi no koro ne tayo kod nyithindo giwegi.
First of all, I want to thank the Miss Sinyolo and Mr. Sinyolo for the good things they've been doing to me. When I came to Evelyn, I told her the things that I lacked, and she gave me those things. It was too tough for me to take them because some of my classmates were looking down upon me as poor girl. Though I didn't mind their words because what brought me in school was to learn. I told Evelyn, even though I lack things, it can't make me fail. Because once someone told me that let someone not allow his or her present situation to determine her future destination.
We started this organization simply for the reasons my colleagues have said, and sometimes some girls find it hard to come and talk to us, so it forces us to be social so that we can treat them well in order for them to be okay.
I'm Mercy Wairimu. I'm the Miss Sinyolo of Sinyolo Girls. I'm from 4H. We were elected to run this program of Sinyolians for Sinyolo. We help many students who are in need in terms of pocket money, transport, and any other things. Despite all that, we also care for our environment by planting trees and flowers.
This is a very special program. As a family, we sat and we felt that there were needy students amongst us that needed our assistance. And it was actually the initiative of the students who felt that they can do something for the other students who may not be very well off, who may be lacking pocket money, they might be lacking items, they're not done for proper shopping, and many other things that they might lack in school. And so to just make them feel at home and to feel comfortable, we came up with a program that we refer to as Sinyolians for Sinyolo. I want to say that this is a program that is fully run by the students themselves. The leaders in the program are students who we choose yearly from an activity that we have in the school, which is called a cultural weekend. And we normally end up with what we call the Miss Sinyolo. So we have the Miss Sinyolo, we have the first runners up, and we have the second runners